Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the sirens. So basically what are sirens? How it differs from the hooters. See, sirens are generally being used where you need alarming signals beyond 200 meters. Generally hooters are up to 100 meters. After 100 meters it starts the range of sirens. In sirens now electronic sirens are being introduced, say around 6 to 7 years back, and we are only into electronic sirens. Before that, the sirens were motorized sirens. Motor runs, and due to that air pressure or blower pressure, sound comes. But in that, there is one problem. You have got only one tone. When you shift it to electronic sirens, the tones can be generated, multiple tones can be generated. So what we manufacture are the electronic sirens. See, these type of electronic sirens which range is around 500 meters. In these sirens we have got around 8 tones, fixed tones, which can be settable, and also the flasher model is also there. Added advantage is it has got very low wattage. Generally the motorized sirens were in the terms of say 500 watt, 1000 watt or 250 watt, and these sirens are only 50 watt. So naturally this electricity also is being saved, and these are very easily mountable because the size and weight is also very much reduced, and you can differentiate the different tones, like for emergencies some particular tones, for siren tone, that means tea break or lunch break, another tone, or where there is a normal announcement, other tones. So these type of tones can be differentiated. Worldwide there are defined internationally 32 tones as per the country are being defined. Say for Australia these are the tone sets, for New Zealand these are the tone sets, for Europe these are the tone sets. See, these are the tone sets defined by the different countries for their countries, or Europe or US. So that is accumulated. When it is accumulated as a total, it comes to 32 tones. For India, we have selected out of that best 8 tones which are being used in Mimic electronic hooters. Now in this hooter, it starts with 500 meters hooters. Suppose you want above 500 meters, say 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometers. So what is the facility what we give is, we have got various electronic siren modules. Above this there is a 1 kilometer siren. In this 1 kilometer siren, it is a unidirectional one. In one direction 1 kilometer it goes. In this particular siren it requires a small panel. This is the standalone type thing, but above this you need the panels. In the panels there are amplifiers, there are horns. These panels are generally being fitted at the bottom and the horns on the top. The more the height of that horn, the more the reach of that sound. So it depends upon what is the line of sight of that sound. Line of sight means the sight where you can see the things. So more the line of sight, more the sound will propagate. In this there are single directional, also multi-directional. That means suppose you put the horns on two sides, 1 kilometer on this side, 1 kilometer on that side. This becomes 2 kilometers. If you want a complete periphery, you have to put 4 horns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's a complete periphery, or a diameter of 2 kilometers it can reach. Above that, suppose you want more than 2 kilometers. The advanced system is being manufactured by Mimic. In that, what happens? There is one centralized audio system in big companies. Say around it. In BRC, what we have given, they have got a centralized audio system up to 8 kilometers of their campus area. In that, they have given us a complete input of that audio. In that audio, we generate our siren audio and we put it inside. In this case, wherever their sound outputs are there, wherever the departments are there, wherever their factories are there, in BRC it's a big campus, it reaches. So main centralized control panel which generates a particular sound, say 1 volt peak to peak, it is inserted into that audio complete wiring and it is being heard all over the particular area. So these are for higher type of sirens, higher range of sirens, higher kilometer range of the sirens. And in this type of siren, when there is a centralized control panel, there is a facility that we give with that particular siren. We also give pre-recorded voice announcement. So there is one type, there is switch is being adjusted, siren with a particular tone. Then voice, whatever voice you want to select, you can have voice in suppose English, Hindi or the local language. In DRC we have given Hindi, Marathi and English. In that announcement we announce, suppose there is a problem, there is a leakage, get somewhere near the main area or something like that. So that has to be decided by the customer. So that pre-recorded sound also we keep. And third model in that particular siren is actual announcement. So there is a mic provided. When you talk on the mic, when you select mic position and when you announce, that sound goes to all 8 kilometer area. So these are the maximum possible things in a wired type of sirens. We also have sirens which are portable sirens. These are the portable sirens. You can carry these sirens. All safety, security departments, watchmen or patrolling staff that can have this type of sirens, portable sirens, also being used by railways in Ghat section. So wherever there is a problem, they just make it on. This sound alerts up to say around 200 to 300 meters. It is also rechargeable, batteries inside, lithium ion batteries there inside. Charging port is already being given. These are the second type of sirens. And third are remote controlled sirens. That also Mimic manufactures. That means without wiring it can be operated by remote. These are the basic sirens available manufactured by Mimic. This is the complete category. For all details of these sirens, we are going for the next video, part 2 video of the sirens, explaining each and every siren manufactured by us in detail with the connections, with the tones. Thank you.